Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop, or what used to be the workshop. So many of you that have caught some recent live streams and have seen some of the community posts that Jessica and I have been putting out, you have already know that we have moved officially. We have moved Christ-Centered Ironworks that you see here to a little town called Harrisville, Michigan. And we are pretty excited. We've moved clear up to Michigan. It's up in the northern portion of Michigan, which is awesome. Really looking forward to that. And I just want to take and talk a little bit today about that move experience and that transition. So instead of doing like an 87-part series on the move and vlogging every minute of it, which I kind of had a plan on doing some of that, but you know, like all good plans, sometimes they come to an end a little bit before you expect. I got swamped out. I planned on having plenty of videos to post during that time frame, and we hadn't gotten any sort of those posted at all. It took a really long time to just get back to filming. But that's kind of the thing, that's kind of the theme of this video, isn't it? It's kind of the new beginnings. It's kind of not being afraid to take chances and take new steps to try to better yourself. And sometimes that means you just have to move. You know, you have to move on. Jessica and I, we've lived here for 12 years in the Dayton, Ohio area. We got married in Colorado Springs, Colorado, and then we came out here just right after the honeymoon. And we've built an entire life here together. Had 3 kids here in Ohio, actually just here at our home location alone. So, you know, that's a pretty exciting thing. That's a lot to walk away from, if you will. But God's possibilities are endless, right? And there's all sorts of new possibilities here that are coming up in Michigan. A much larger shop space is one of them, but that's kind of a silly thing. It's really, I'm just excited and I'm humbled by life and the opportunity to be able to take and grow with my family. The place that we purchased is just a little over 8 acres, and it's got a 40 by 50 shop space on it. And a nice little house there, which is great. Plenty of space for the kids to grow and roam around in. Great little small town. It's only a town of about 467 residents, plus 5 now. So, you know, that's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. You know, there's a lot of things to like about this new place, and it's going to take a lot of work to get to where we want. So we're excited about the future. And if you feel like you're at a point in your life that, you know, you're kind of standing on the edge of the abyss, a little bit on the precipice of whether you should jump out and step out in faith and do that thing that you've always wanted to do. Ours is home ownership, you know, and we took that leap of faith. I hope that you will continue. I want to encourage you to follow this journey with us as we work on this new place. And I hope that that will encourage you to take and jump off that cliff, proverbial cliff, if you will. Take that leap of faith. Take those next steps in your life that you may be feeling led to do. Because, you know, we don't know unless we try, right? You don't know unless you go. You can't succeed at anything if you just stay put where you're at all the time. And, you know, I hope that this little experience in the new house and the new workshop will be exactly that for people. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this video so far. If you did, leave a like in the comment section down below. There's going to be many videos to come in the new workshop, in the new space, and we will continue the conversation there. So thank you all for watching. As always, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one.